Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Line. Here in this page you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.